First and foremost, I want to say thank you to everyone. Everyone who's reaching out, everyone who's liking my posts, everyone who's sharing my posts, saving my posts. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. That means a lot to me. That means that I'm doing something positive, and that makes me work harder towards my end goal. My end goal is I really want to change the world. So everyone's just thinking from a political standpoint to however it is. Like, you could just be giving money, and your life is gonna change, and then here, give this person a stimulus check, and put them in the back burner, make them happy for the moment. That ain't true happiness. Happiness comes within. You feel me? You gotta understand yourself to be happy. Whatever's bothering you, it ain't easy. Anything in this world is not easy. It's gonna be challenging, but the things that challenge you are gonna be the things that make you better and make you succeed. You feel me? So with that being said, thank you everyone who's showing me love, who's liking my posts, who's reaching out to me, appreciating me. I appreciate that. I greatly appreciate that. Sharing it, commenting, liking it. I love it all. I'm really doing this for everybody. Like, I don't care. I want people to genuinely change for themselves, because back then it was oh my God, it was tough for me. I just was seeking help, and I just wanted people to know like what I was going through without going through it. And that's how it is today. Everyone's going through something, but it's not like no one ain't gonna tell you their true stories. Like, bro, you know what it is living in a crib with 18,000 people with fucking roaches and mice and all that. It's tough. Ain't no one gonna tell you that. So you gotta be the helping hand and give everyone the benefit of the doubt. And just be genuinely nice. Try to help people as much as you can. It doesn't necessarily have to be with money, but it could be with knowledge. Knowledge changes a lot. Knowledge is key. So if I can help you with wisdom, if I can help you with what I've gone through and show you not to go through it and to move in a positive direction or more straighter line, I ain't going to sit here and preach to nobody. Everyone got to do what they got to do. But at the end of the day, if you be happy with yourself and be better, this world could be better. You feel me? Like, I'm on a mission to change the world. And if it got to be me alone, I'm going to use this platform to do it.